Well, it was a great honor at ASCO 2022 to present results from the COSMIC-021 study. This is a study that includes multiple cohorts, including not just genitourinary cancers, but breast cancer, thyroid cancer, and many others. At this year's ASCO meeting, I was able to present three very interesting cohorts. One was a cohort of patients with cisplatin eligible metastatic urothelial carcinoma, no prior therapy. Another had cisplatin ineligible disease, and another group of patients had received prior immune checkpoint inhibitors. Each cohort had about 30 patients or so, and each cohort was treated with cabozantinib at 40 milligrams in combination with atezolizumab at 1,200 milligrams every 3 weeks on a fairly standard schedule. What we saw in this study was a response rate that's fairly easy to sort of keep in mind: 30% with the cis-eligible cohort, 20% with the cis-ineligible cohort, and 10% in those patients who'd received prior immune checkpoint inhibitors. It's always hard to really sort of juxtapose the response rates in this small study versus others. What I think is relatively encouraging is the fact that you see many durable responses. I was quite intrigued by the response rate in the cisplatin eligible group and also the duration of response there, which hasn't yet been reached. As we share in our presentation through several spider plots, I think that there are many patients who have had protracted responses, and it'll be interesting to see where those numbers land. Ultimately, I think that the real test of cabozantinib with atezolizumab is going to be its implementation in larger studies. And in fact, there's a similar regimen, cabozantinib with avelumab, that's being tested in the course of a randomized phase 3 clinical trial known as the MAIN-CAV study run by Shilpa Gupta. While I think we can really try to debate and really underscore the activity of cabozantinib with immune therapy in these small trials, those definitive phase 3 studies are really where we're going to ascertain the true activity of this regimen, and I look forward to that data.